Hi again, guys. This is my second channel specialized for digital builds. Have you seen the Fantastic Four first steps yet? Just a week ago, Marvel dropped the Fantastic Four, and I spotted this awesome car scene. It looked super cool and totally impressive. If you want to see the physical version, head over to my main channel, Kosbrick. But I didn't have any blue parts in my collection, so I decided to build it using gray parts instead. Since this is the digital version, I was finally able to use the blue part and make it even more fantastic. I also made a few tweaks to the design compared to the physical version. I'm sure you're going to love it. Wait, before we start, check out my other creations at my main channel, kosbrick. Please consider to subscribe and give it a like, and thank you if you have. Let me know in the comment if you have any suggestion. Without further ado, let's build. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Until next time, stay awesome and keep on bricking.